Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the mesh is ready. You want clean topology and no history because messy geometry breaks unwrapping. Once done, freeze transforms and assign the model to UV set 1 so Maya behaves predictably. Next, open the UV editor and apply an initial projection, planar for flat bits, cylindrical for limbs, automatic for complex shapes, so you have workable UV shells. This gives you a baseline to relax and sew, and it speeds the rest of the pipeline. You now focus on creating clean shells. Use the UV toolkit to cut seams at logical edges, aiming for minimal distortion and easy texture painting. Once shells exist, use unfold and smooth UV tools to relax them. Pin vertices where detail must remain fixed, because pinning prevents unwanted shifts. Make sure shells maintain textile density by checking the checker pattern and equalizing scale. After that, manually nudge shells into a rough packed layout, so final packing is faster and more consistent. You finish by packing UV shells tightly. Use the Layout or Pack UVs tool, set padding and preserve UV orientation while enforcing consistent textile density so textures stay crisp. Then inspect with a checker map to find overlaps, flipped faces, or stretching. Fix any flipped UVs by reversing or reprojecting those faces. If you still see distortion, isolate the troublesome shell, add targeted seams, and re-unfold that region. This targeted approach resolves stubborn issues without reworking the entire map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.